I'm back with a brand new recipe. I have been inspired. We've just been to visit some family in Eastbourne. It was really nice to see them. My cousin down there, he surprised me and said to me, have you got a few bits to buy? And I know they can have the shops, they do have the shops that do sell Oriental and Indian stuff that is a little bit more difficult to find my way. So I went on a shopping madness, should I say. We come back, I fancied, we call it a bouillon chinois, but I am going to do my own version with bits what I've got. So we stopped at the supermarket to get some chicken drumsticks. So in there I've got 40 chicken drumstick, a little bit of garlic, chopped garlic, and I'm going to add bouillon, vegetable bouillon in there with some carrots, for the time being, carrots and a little bit of grated ginger. Alright, and this is going to be my stock. I'm going to let that bubble for a good, probably half an hour, and then we'll come back and I'll tell you what else. After that it's going to be really quick. I will tell you after what I'm going to do with this little bouillon thing with this little stock thing. I'm going with the vibe of Thai. I want to do a bit of Chinese, but probably a bit of Thai, because my intention is to put the Thai seasoning in there. We'll see, because there is fish sauce, light soy sauce, Kicap Manis, dark soy sauce, multi-purpose seasoning, pepper, and fish balls. Woohoo! So I think it's going to be Bonnie's recipe today. So we shall see after what are the ingredients that went in there. So to start with, we're going to go and do the bouillon. Whoops, boom. Let that fricasse a little bit, and then I'm going to add me vegetable stock. I'm excited. Ah, yes, in fact this is not just vegetable bouillon. This is a Thai stock. So there is lemongrass and all that in there. So lots of flavor. Right, I'll see you in a minute, guys. Right, back again, guys. So as I say, this is my bouillon, my stock. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 chicken drumstick. They are about done, and I did add to flavor my stock, as I said, a carrot chopped into little squares, a little bit of ginger, about a teaspoon of ginger, and about 2 teaspoons of chopped garlic, and the Thai seasoning. Right, so the next step now, I'm going to remove the chicken drumstick, and then this is going to be shredded and going to be put back in a minute in the bouillon. So my next step now in this bouillon, I am going to add the fish balls, because they need to cook a little bit and they will swell up. So here we go. This again will add flavor to the bouillon. So up we go. And then when that's cooked, we're going to proceed to the next step, which is in here. This is called Pak Choi. It's like a Chinese green leaf, Chinese green. Back home we eat a lot of these stir fried. It's really delicious. Right, I've bought these from Asda, and I bought 2 of them in a packet, but I'm only going to use 1 of those. I've washed them. Very important to wash them first. So in here we've got the Pak Choi, some, I forgot now, sweet corn, baby corn chopped, and some Mange too. And these are going to be just thrown into last minute into the bouillon, not even 5 minutes. I want all these veg to retain their crunch. So this is going to be, not, I see, 2 minutes, and this is going with this little noodle thing. So this is for, it's a Chinese noodle, it's a glass noodle.
You got the packet?
No, I threw the packet away, but it doesn't matter. It's a glass noodle. So this is a lot more thinner and lighter, so and healthier. So these, I've just soaked them a little bit, and these as well don't take long to cook. So once my little fish balls are cooked, it's going to be, I'm going to taste my bouillon. If I'm happy with all the seasoning, I might not need all of these seasonings here, because I don't want it to be overly salty. I just want it to be fresh, crunchy and cleansing, should we say. I'm tempted to put these, I love dumplings, so I might put those, throw them in. I don't know yet, I might. It says here as well, it says pan cook it 6 minutes and gentle simmer is 3 minutes. I might do them in the microwave actually. I'm going to put them in a little bit of water, steam them in the microwave for 3 minutes, and then just put them gently at the end in the, like little dumplings in the soup. So I think these are going to be cooked in the microwave. So I think we're more or less there. It's just a matter of letting the little bowls cooked. I'm going to shred my chicken there, and then the chicken drumstick, add them to the soup, to the bouillon here, and then in the next, I would say 15 minutes, we will have dinner. Right, as you can see, the little fish balls, they have double in size, okay, in the juice, the stock here. I'm adding the chicken now, and it's a question, I've shredded the chicken, right, I'm adding that in there, and now it's a matter of letting that boil 5 minutes, only 5 minutes. To be honest with you, it's a quick process. After 5 minutes, all the veg goes in, the rice, the glass noodle goes in, couple of minutes, and that's it. And at the end, I did microwave the gyozas, the little Japanese dumplings, and I'm going to put them on top. And no more than 10 minutes now, dinner is going to be ready. Let us taste the stock. Right, it lacks a little bit of something, so I am going, you see, I don't think I will need all these. I did use that, and I think it's salty enough. I might not need some fish sauce, but I do need a tiny bit of white pepper, tiny bit, so I will put just a tiny bit. And I believe they need a little bit of sweetness, so I'm going to add, because this is a sweet soy sauce, right, and thick, so I'm going to put a good dessert spoon like that in there. Ooh, it's gooey, it's thick, and actually I am thinking, this is top of my head, guys. I am going to taste it now. Yes, very happy with that. I am not going to put the fish sauce, but though, listen, I have got a little baby here, tamarind, some tamarind paste, and I want a little bit of tartness, and I'm going to add, oh yeah, nice. And saying this, guys, I am overexcited. Tomorrow, hopefully, I will do you a tour of all the things I bought in Eastbourne. Couple of little spoons like that. You know, I'm a bit of a mad chef, should I say. I don't follow a recipe, I add things. I will tell you whether that tastes nice, whether I was right to add that. I hope I haven't ruined the dish. What will happen, Ted, if I
goes over your head if it's ruined.
Right, let's have a little taste. Yes! I'm so excited. Super nice. Yeah. I don't know, guys, how I'm going to call this dish. Right. Vegetables goes in. And it doesn't need any fish sauce and the little glass noodles. Little stuff. Look at this pan of goodness. Oh, freshness and goodness. I want these veg to remain crisp and fresh. So a couple of minutes and that's it. And we'll dish it up in a bowl in 2 minutes. Okay, see you in 2 minutes. Right, this is Teddy's portion. This is the soup. But I'm going to add, I thought of something else while serving. So come over here. So this will be served with, it's not Chinese, it's my own invention. It's based more on Thai thing. Wedge of lime. As I said to you guys, I am putting the little dumplings, Gyozas.
And what's in them?
This one is a vegetable one base, so. And wait, so this is Teddy's. So in here, I thought, oh, I want to spread a little bit more. It's layers of flavours basically. I want to use a little sauce just to mix up together. So in here, I've got a little bit of lime juice, a teaspoon of honey, a bit, I don't know how much I've put, I've got to think, a bit of sweet chilli sauce and some sambal. Okay, this is like a chili paste with loads of goodies again. So whatever you can get, grab. You could also use the Japanese paste thing that is quite spicy, it's called. This is quite spicy, it's quite strong. I went with a milder version because my husband, he likes flavors. He likes to taste all the, oh, I'm excited. Right, this is our dinner. Bon appetit, chérie. I love you all. We will put the recipe down and give it a go. Good night. So we've got to find a name for it, guys. I don't know. I've got to have a think. So, oh, I'm going to take a picture for my cousin and see if he sees the ingredients we bought in Eastbourne. Right, good night. Bon appétit tout le monde. Bye.